Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word coats. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. She hung her coats in the closet before heading out for a walk in the park. In this sentence, coats refers to outer garments worn for warmth or protection, typically made of wool, polyester, or other materials. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.